Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin. Oh, we finally got to the bottom of this box, and I want to give you all the profit numbers. So this is an 888 lots pallet of brand new product. We ordered a truckload that had some box damage, some brand new. This happens to be one of the brand new pallets, which always does well for us. And so we paid $1,698 for this one, and that's fully shipped. It averaged across the rest of the truckload. So $1,698 is what we paid. And so we wanted to show you exactly where we're putting everything and how much money we're charging for everything and how much profit it's going to be. So let's go ahead and check out all the stuff and where it's at. You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. All right, so we're going to start all the way over on this table, and I want you to get a really close look at all the items. And so Paul is here too. Say hello. All right, so these are the Wolf Masters, and so these are
$5.
$5, and they're going to go to
Hooked on or fire sale.
Fire sale, very good. And then that is a cool like gold barometer thermometer thingy, $20 for that, fire sale. And then we have an awesome knife, well, dagger.
A little dagger there.
Looks like a medieval dagger. $20 on the fire sale. We actually don't sell that.
$10 on the fire sale.
Oh, I'm sorry, $10.
$10.
All right. Then we have the Wolverine on the fire sale for $10. Then we have
it's a bike bag
accessory, yes, for $10. And then we have, this is a mini spy cam. That's about how big it is inside the package.
It's tiny.
Yeah, it's little. So $20 on the fire sale. We got a couple of locks there that we'll put on the fire sale. We got those lunch chillers, which are thin.
$5 for the lunch things.
Okay. And then how much are the locks? $5?
$5 is what I put.
All right. And then this is a mat, a gaming mouse mat, $40 for that one. And then we also have the gaming mouse bungee cord holder for $15.
They actually almost are a matching set, really.
We might sell them together.
Yeah, we could bundle them together, yep.
And then we have $5 for this little peeler set. And then $10 for the Star Wars Destiny cards. $5 for the women's underwear. $5 for the little mini solo cups. I think those are for apple juice.
Yep. Basically, if I don't have another tag on it, guys, it's just $5 is what we were looking through.
Then we've got the PS4 shot controller, $10 on that, which is a really super good deal. Then we've got a mirror, $5. We got these lights. Does one of these turn on? Woo, that's right. Anyway, $5. We'll probably sell them $5 a piece.
I don't know. It might be a pair.
Yep. And then we have the Band-Aid set, $5. We have the Ziploc storage bags for your big stuff that you can vacuum seal them. $5 for that. These both are $5 for the Downy Unstoppables.
That's a good deal.
Yeah, that is a good deal. And then we have Alien Funko Pops. The boxes are a little bit...
On Amazon, they're $15, but all of my boxes are in rough shape. The guy's fine. There's no broken damage on the toy. But I thought I don't want to charge full price for it, so we're going to go $5.
$5 a piece.
So, there you go.
Then we have the feather boas for the fire sale. We have two of them available, $5 a piece. This is an awesome water bottle, $10 for that one. An Arctic tumbler, which could be a coffee cup or a water bottle, $10 for that. We got some more Gillette.
Found a couple more of those.
Clear gels. Those are going to be $5 for the 2-pack. And then we have Nexium, $15 on the fire sale for those.
That's really expensive on Amazon.
It is. Then we've got a whole pack of toothbrushes.
Yep.
So that's going to be $10. Then we've got some stuff for nursing moms, $5. Sorry, I jumped back that way. And then we'll go up here. These are C batteries, $5 for the whole box. It's actually 12 of them. We got 4 of them available. See? And then we've got flushable wipes. We'll do $5, probably for the sets. We'll see. Then Windex, $5. Then we've got these really cute Snug and Play Kids headphones. Those are actually going to be $10 per headphone. Then we have some incense sticks for $5. And then what is this?
Just a bathroom.
Oh, it's a toilet paper roll holder with
$5.
the wall mounts. Yep.
Amazon is like $7.93, so we'll go $5.
Yep. Then we've got these awesome LED light recess lighting kits.
$5 a box. We got 4 of them.
Then we've got some parchment paper, which we'll probably
$5.
Yeah, $5 for those. Then we got
This is actually a fairly affordable backpack, so I just put it at $5. I think Amazon had it at just about 10, but after if we could send these in, but we would make close to 5, so we'll go 5 on the fire sale.
Right. And then we have all this stuff over here. And some of it's going to go on Hooked on Pickin' and some of it's not. So this is actually, I thought about putting it on eBay and decided to put it on Hooked on Pickin'. So we made it $65. They're selling from anywhere. This is a very rare one. Can't find them very well. We got actually 6 of them, selling them for $65. And we said Funko Pops are kind of hit or miss. Well, this is a good one. $65. They range anywhere from 120 to 75 online. So we thought, let's do a deal. We'll do $65. And this is about the basic condition of the boxes that you see.
Yeah,
so,
all of the boxes have just a little bit of wear like this, as you can see. They're not broken. The toys are all fine.
Yep.
So
we put those on Hooked on Pickin'.
Ours is basically the cheapest that we can find out there now.
Yep. So
that still comes with a box, I should say.
Then this is a cool kind of design for easy chugging. It's quick. It's 100% leak proof. So a chug cap for the Yeti, $5. These are already on Hooked on Pickin' for $5 a piece. It's a 20-foot USB cable, and it says for powering all these things, but basically it's got a micro B USB end. So it's for the micro, kind of like if you had an Android device. These are on Hooked on Pickin'.
They're actually $10 on Hooked on Pickin'. I just didn't put a label on that one.
Yep. Then these are $5 globe inflatable 11-inch beach ball globes. They're already on Hooked on Pickin' for $5 a piece. These also as well are clear crystal peach colored tempered glass protection kits. So it's not just the case, but it's the whole tempered glass and the case and the everything in it. So these are for the iPhone X, and those are $5 a piece, already on Hooked on Pickin'. These refrigerator filters are on Hooked on Pickin' as well. You get 4 of them for $25. And then we've got these Pond's makeup removers. For each little one, they're $5 a piece, and they're on Hooked on Pickin' as well. These Papermate pens are also on Hooked on Pickin'. No, I think they're less than $5.
They might be less than $5.
They're less. They're like 2 or 3, I think. Then we've got these air conditioning covers that are fire sale, right? Or those are going to go on Hooked on Pickin'.
Yeah. For
$5 a piece. They work really nice. I kept one myself. Then we have the Take-In Tosses, $5 there. Then this MTC oil, Brain Octane MTC oil, $15 on the fire sale. We have 2 of them available. This is an awesome, huge water tumbler that we're going to be selling on the fire sale.
$5.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
They were $9.99.
Wow, that's a huge, nice metal tumbler.
It'll be a nice one. Somebody.
All right, so then here's some workout straps, $5 for that big bag of workout straps. Then
that's a huge puzzle.
Huge puzzle, $15 on the fire sale. Then we've got
these are really good.
Yeah, tell them
those are those safety glasses. They come with a strap. Yeah, it's a pack of 12. We're doing $25 a box on the fire sale, but like on Amazon, they're like $45. So.
And then we have this comforter for a twin bed. It is a blue quilted one, $10.
$10.
Then this is kind of a no-slip mat. You can put it underneath your couch cushions or futon or whatever. No-slip mat, $5 on the fire sale. And then over here, we're going to wander this way. We got a bunch of Amazon stuff. So this is all going to Amazon. So these are bras, $5 a piece, going to Amazon. Then we have the replacement glue cards for trapping those insects, $5 a piece on those. Then Amazon, these are kids, basically Claritin, chewable Claritin, $6 a box is what we're going to make. And this is how much we're going to make after fees.
Yeah.
Yep. Then we have these pacifiers, $5 after fees. Then we have the soothing cooling gel pads, $3 after fees. Then we have this.
It's a speed fan control.
Yep, $6. And then this toner.
The toner was pretty good. $20. I mean, not the world's worst.
So we're going to send all that to Amazon. Then we've got some more things over here. Like I said, it was like the massivest pallet ever. So these are going to be $10 for the... How many plates are in there?
125.
125 plates. So $10 on the fire sale. We have 3 of those available. These are already on Hooked on Pickin'. These are those paw print memorial bifold picture frames. And so if you want one, you can see we got quite a stack. Only $10. But go to Hooked on Pickin', you can find them there. Then we've got the boxer briefs 2XL for men, $20 for that pack. Then we've got the moonshine metal signs that are going to be $5, and those are going to be on Hooked on Pickin'. And then we have the Dr. Scholl's massaging gel.
Just $5.
$5. And then we had gotten some of these.
Pretty little ornament.
Yeah, I think we're going to put them on some future fire sales, but it's a Christmas ornament.
It'll be $5.
Like a chandelier. Yep. Then we have professional nail clippers, $5. Then we have the Neutrogena. These are going to be $10 a piece on the fire sale because that's pretty expensive stuff. Then we've got this extra large set of Hanes men's tagless shirts that are going to be $15 on Hooked on Pickin' already. This is a comforter, a brown and cream colored comforter. Really, really nice one. That's going to be $25. I can't remember what size it was though.
Can't remember.
Okay. And so then we have these are going to be on, these are on Hooked on Pickin', $15 for the dispenser. They're basically soap dispensers. Let me put it this way. You can kind of see by the picture there.
No touch. That's what makes them.
Yep. $15. So they're going to
Really
be on
good.
Hooked on Pickin'. Then these are going to be $3 a piece for, there's 28 dominoes in this little travel set, $3 a piece on Hooked on Pickin'. We've got these already, $15 for a 3-pack of the Clinical Protection Suave antiperspirant, and those are already on Hooked on Pickin'. Then we've got for $5 a piece these pink headphones. You can kind of see there. So those are on Hooked on Pickin'. These are cool. You can use the little sticky, and you can put this on your dishwasher or your kids' room or whatever you want, and it flips from clean over to dirty, and so it's called a dish nanny, to let you know. Anyway, those are $5 a piece on Hooked on Pickin', and then these are pool filters, and those are $5 a piece, I think is what we were doing on those, on Hooked on Pickin'. And then over on this table, this is also on Hooked on Pickin' or replenished on Hooked on Pickin'. So you may have seen some of these. So these are the urinals that are totally still packaged up. And then we've got some Post-it notes that we put on Hooked on Pickin'.
What do you got the urinals for? I can't remember. They 5 or 7?
I can't remember.
Okay.
I can't remember. I'll let you know.
We did the math a little earlier.
Yeah, we did. And then we have these badge holders. There's vertical ones and horizontal ones. There's 50 per pack, and they're already on Hooked on Pickin'. We have the all laundry detergent, free and clear on Hooked on Pickin'. The fun little plates here. We also have, let me sneak back here and see if I can reach one, these yellow journals on Hooked on Pickin'. Then we have the ceramic heaters. Not very many left. This is basically all that's left is what you see on this stack.
How many is there? Like
1,
5?
2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah,
5?
that's it.
Yeah.
Left on Hooked on Pickin'. These are awesome. So they're made for an RV shower head hose kit, but if you look at it, it attaches to any sink faucet. And so if you just want to turn your sink, or if you have a regular faucet, you want to turn it in and have a shower head attached to it, this is kind of a handy device. So it might be good for like washing the toddler's hair or something like that, where they, you know, whatever you want to do with it. But those are really cheap on Hooked on Pickin'. $5, I think, is all we got for those. There's the water snakes. This helps to keep water out in a doorway or crevice or whatever. Kind of basically like a long sandbag. Those are available on Hooked on Pickin'. These are $15 a piece. These blankets, really, really soft blanket, 50 by 60. Gray soft plush blanket. And there's a bunch of those on Hooked on Pickin', $15. And then the original chai latte. And what makes this one special is it's organic and gluten-free, but it's the original chai tea latte from Oregon Trail. And these are $2.50 a piece on Hooked on Pickin'. And we do not ship any that are expired. So we'll make sure.
Yeah, these are May 10th of 2021. Yep.
So then we also have the Bumbos too, before I forget. These are the Bumbo Playtop Safaris that are on Hooked on Pickin' as well. And I think we have one of these iHome docking iPhone 6 Plus speaker clocks that's going to go on the fire sale. So there's all of that stuff. So as you can see, we had a plethora of items, but we did add everything up. And so on Amazon, we ended up with $180 worth of items that are going to get shipped to Amazon. On the fire sale, we ended up with about 775 items. And then on Hooked on Pickin', we ended up about $1,400 for all the items I replenished that already were on Hooked on Pickin'. And then, of course, all the new things that I put on Hooked on Pickin'. So that brings us to $2,355, and that's a very conservative estimate. And then we're going to add it to the 3,201 that we had from last video, because that was the top part of the pallet. So we're at a total sales in this pallet of $5,556. Remember, I paid $1,698 for it. So let's take that off. And so our total profit for the entirety of the pallet is $3,858. Cha-ching. So hopefully you had fun seeing where we're going to put all this stuff. Go to Hooked on Pickin, buy it all up because you know it's a really good deal. And if you buy over $500, you get free shipping on my website. So
For $500?
Oh, sorry, $500. No, I was excited about how much money I made. If you buy over $100, you can buy $500.
Right.
I'm okay with that.
You'll still get free shipping for $500.
Yeah, if you spend over $100, you'll get free shipping inside the United States. So hopefully it's been fun to see where we put everything and how much money we're going to make on this pallet. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. If you love the content that I give, you can support me on Patreon. Just follow the link in the description below and I will offer you lots of exclusive things. You can be in the Hooked on Pickin Coffee Club, have your Naven Lights, be in the Hooked on Pickin Reseller Club, or the Reseller Pro Club. You get different perks for each club. So if you'd like to support me in my channel, please head on over to my Patreon account and start supporting. Thanks! Hey, we have great things on Hooked on Pickin all of the time. And so if you're not sure what you want to buy yet, you can always purchase a gift card. There's no expiration date on any of my gift cards. And so if you want to wait until you see some fun things that I finally do put on Hooked on Pickin, you can go ahead and purchase a gift card for the holidays. If not, just go to Hooked on Pickin and find what you want right now, and hopefully you get a good deal.